guys, it's Cam from EasyA. This video is going to be on equations, formulae and identities. So let's get started. So to recap, an expression is a mathematical statement made up of terms. If we take two expressions and put an equal sign between them, then we have an equation, which may or may not be true depending on the values of the unknown variables. There can often be different sets of values for the variables that make the equation true, such as this one here, where 3 and also -3 satisfy the equation. An identity is a type of equation which is always true, irregardless of the values of the variables. These can be helpful to save time when doing algebra. For example, let's solve this problem using the identity above. Identities can be sometimes written with a triple equal sign with 3 lines. Another type of equation is a formula. This is used to calculate something. For example, if we had a triangle that we wanted to find the area of, we could use the formula to calculate this. In this case, the formula is half times the base times the height. Let's say we have a triangle with a base of 3 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. We can substitute these values into the formula, which means replacing the variables with the actual values. This gives us the area of the triangle, which is 9 centimeters squared in this case. Here's another example of some arbitrary formula which we want to use. Sometimes you'll be given the formula like this, but there are some formulas that you have to remember, so check your GCSE specification for a list of these. When substituting into the formula, don't forget to use BIDMAS in order to get the right answer. Let's have a look at inverse operations. These are operations that cancel each other out in an expression. For example, multiplying a number by a different number and then dividing by that number is the same as not doing anything at all. Let's expand these brackets. We can see that the plus 3x term and the minus 3x term cancel out, leaving x squared minus 9. Now onto rearranging formulae. This is useful when you want to make a different variable the subject of the formula, which is the variable you're trying to find the answer for. To do this, we have to use inverse operations. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. Using a series of inverse operations, we can rearrange the formula so x is the subject. Now let's move on to a more complicated example. Rearrange this so a is the subject. Start by subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation. Then divide both sides of the equation by b squared. This will get rid of the b squared on the right. We can then divide the equation through by -1 to leave a on the right, and we've rearranged the equation. Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps, or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.